To change the color palette of your Samsung Galaxy S26 is fairly simple. You just need to open up Settings, scroll and select Wallpaper and Style, and then tap on Color Palette. Now from here, you just need to enable this feature, and you can choose what wallpaper color scheme you'd prefer to use. Alternatively, if you don't like the wallpaper color scheme that you're given, you can tap on Basic Colors and just choose one singular color to apply across your whole device. This allows you to add your own personal touch to your phone. When you're happy with the changes that you are seeing happening in this preview at the top, all you need to do is simply tap on the option Apply, and it will be applied to your device. Once it's finished applying, you can now go back to the home screen, and you'll notice whenever you open any of the system apps and as the quick settings menu, you can see the changes have been applied across board. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.